Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. From Supreme Education School System, this is your teacher for grade 6. Subject is English. Students, our today's topic is verb, page number 16, 17, and application page number 54. Let's first discuss verb. As you know, all the parts of speech, verb is an important second part of speech. Here you can see some pictures on the screen. You can see some children doing something, doing some activity. For example, one of the boys is playing. Look, one boy is jumping, the other girl is thinking. So all the children are doing something, doing some action. All these actions and doing words are called verb. What is a verb? Look at the definition. A verb is a word that describes an action, state of being, or occurrence. It tells us what a person, animal, or thing does. It indicates an action, an event, or a state. For example, the baby is sleeping. In this sentence, sleeping is action. We ate the cookies. Ate is verb. They always listen to their parents. Listen is the verb. So that was the example for our, that was the definition and example of our verb. Look at some examples. Run, eat, is, are, have, think. In a sentence, she writes daily. Writes is a verb. Now we will move to the kinds or type of the verb. Here you can see three types of verbs. The first one is action verbs. Action verbs show what people or thing do. For example, run, eat, write, think, and you can think many more like dance, like sleep, eat, learn, teach. The second one is linking verb. Linking verb connects the subject to a word that describes it. Like you can say, I want to become a doctor. Like you can say, it seems very beautiful. The examples are be, seem, appear, become, etc. The third one is helping verb. You know it very well. You use it in the sentence, in the tenses. Helping verb helps main verbs to show time or possibility. For example, can, could, will, would, should. And many more, as you know already, like is, are, am, was, were, do, did, done, do, did, does, and has, have, will, shall. So they are used to show the tense or show the time or possibility. So that was all from verbs. Now we will move to the other topic, that is phrase and clauses. Student, clause is a group of words that contains its subject and predicate. A clause must have a subject and a verb, and it gives complete sense. The sentence should be having complete sense. Otherwise, phrase is a group of words that does not contain a finite verb. It does not have a subject and predicate. As you know already that a sentence, complete sentence have a subject, should have a subject and predicate. But a phrase does not have a subject or a predicate. It gives some sense, but does not give complete sense. It should not have a subject and a verb. It has some sense, but not complete sense. For example, on the table, in the corner, on the roof. Now we will move to the examples of phrases and clauses. At the top you can see the breakdown of a sentence. After school, I read a book. So students, after school is a group of two words which are giving some sense but not a complete sense. So it is a phrase. You can see the remaining sentence, that is I read a book. It has a subject and it has a predicate, and the predicate has a verb and object. You can see the subject and the action in the sentence. I is subject and read is action or verb. So it is a clause. When some sentence line has a subject and an action word, it is called a clause. For example, you can see if you work hard, you will pass. It has two clauses. If you work hard is a complete clause, independent, that has a you as a subject and work as a verb. And you will pass, it is also a clause, but it is a dependent. You is subject and will pass verb, helping verb and main verb. If I were you, I would not do this. It is a clause, and after school I read a book, that I have already told you. Now look at the examples of phrase: on the table, in the corner, on the roof. These are the examples of phrases. So students, let's move to our page number 17. There you can see the activity. The question number 1 is underline clauses and phrases in the given sentences. Number 1 is she laughs at shy people. In the beginning of sentence you can see she laughs. This is subject along with verb. So it is a clause. She laughs. The clause is written in black. And the remaining part at shy people. Here it has a preposition at, and shy people is a group of words. So it is a phrase. It has some sense, but it is not giving complete sense. So at shy people is a prepositional phrase. I saw a man who was crying. I saw a man is a complete clause. Who was crying is a dependent clause. He bought a car. It is a clause giving complete meaning, having subject and predicate, which was too expensive. Here, too expensive is phrase. I eat some apples in the kitchen. I eat some apples, it is a clause, and in the kitchen is a phrase. He is a wise man is a clause. Wise man can be a phrase. Question number 2 is underline phrases in the given sentences. Number 1 is I must do my work on time. Students, here you have to underline only phrases. The phrase in this sentence is on time. There came villages to my gate. To my gate. You can either say my gate or to my gate. He ran so fast like never before, like never before. The boy wants to go home or go home. He loves to issue hard orders. These are the underlined words are the phrases. So students, that's all for page 15, 16, the verb topic. Now we will move to our next topic, that is at page number 54, application. As you already know the format of writing an application, you start from your left hand and you will follow the pattern which is given on the screen. The principal, we are addressing to our principal, our headmistress or our principal. The principal, the initial letters will be capital, and at the end we will put a comma. Then the name of our school, Supreme Education School System, comma, Lahore, full stop. Then we will write the subject. For what purpose we are writing the application? Application for attending cousin brother's marriage. Then we will address to our principal, respected madam. And then we will start the body of the application. It is to inform you that I would be unable to attend next classes due to my cousin brother's wedding. He and his family live in Islamabad, so I will have to go there with my family to attend the ceremony. Therefore, I humbly request you to grant me leave for 1 week. I would be highly obliged to you if you consider my request. I shall be grateful for this favor. So there our body is completed. Now we will close the application. You will write yours obediently, comma, and you can write XYZ or you can write your name here. Then we will write the class or grade, that is 6, and your section. And opposite of section you will write the today's date when you are writing the application. So complete it at page 54 and learn it. So students, that was all for our topic. For next topic, see you, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.